So welcome everyone. I guess most of you know me. I'm Magnus Melander. I'm a co-founder of Things together with Linda Krondahl. So I'll tell you a little story. We started this 8 years ago. It's a self-funded deep tech community. We focus on industry, infrastructure, utilities, and mobility. Our objective is only to enable sustainable business relationships between corporates and what we call corporate-ready tech companies, because we think that is the best way for tech companies to grow and scale. And we also think that's one of the better ways for corporates to deal with their innovation and challenges with transformation. We have about 100 members today, basically split 50-50 between tech companies and corporates. We have members from Japan to Australia nowadays, and also all the way to US. And we have about 25 partners who we work with to provide high quality cross-border services to our members. This is our third event, open event, since we started this year. And the two previous ones has been on fossil-free energy and smart factory. This is about IoT, and I think since that's my background really, I follow that a little bit more closely. And I think it's a very interesting time for IoT now, because we have a completely new generation or wave of technology. Every single technology for communication, for instance, has been upgraded, more capable. We have very capable platforms today to develop from, to take care of the really difficult challenges like security and deployment and device management and so forth. We have very strong edge capabilities available now. So I think we are more or less ready for massive IoT, which means that, you know, the 50 billion devices that people were laughing at 5-10 years ago seems like a joke today, but it's too small. So that's why I find it very interesting. So I think we shouldn't talk too much about other things now. So let's go down to business. And just so you know, this is how it will work. I will moderate the thing a little bit. We have 4 speakers. They have up to 10 minutes each. In a bazaar, you accept it to be sold to. So this is all about sales, actually. So hopefully you'll be tempted to buy. If you have questions, you can put them in the chat, and I'll try to bring them to the speakers. We might have time, if there is interest, also for Q&A somewhere in the end. You all have to remember that this is video recorded, so it will be published like all the other events we have. It will be published on our YouTube channel. I think with that we are ready to go,